Okay, so we've got a question on how to deal with an overgrown foundation planting. And I've got a good example here. My boxwood here and my dwarf Korean lilac I'm not right up against my foundation, but I am in a similar situation. I'm along the patio, over the path. This is the kind of thing that happens with overgrown foundations, is they tumble out into your doorway and over your sidewalk. So, but we'll start with this boxwood here. Now you're not going to just shear it all off. You could, but that's not your best way to go about it. The best way to do it is to go in, especially with an evergreen like the boxwoods, or a true evergreen like a juniper or an arborvitae. You'll want to go in early spring or late winter even, and come in, take a look at how the structure of the plant is. So pull those up and take a look and say, I'm going to need to take out, say, maybe this branch, that whole branch there that hangs over the sidewalk. But don't take it all out. Don't take that whole branch off, because if you cut back too far into the wood with an evergreen, you won't get it to regrow. You've got to have some greens still sticking out past your pruning cut. So go in, take out some of the worst branches, maybe some of these bigger branches like this one that hangs over, and cut out that whole branch, maybe even back down to the trunk of the plant. And then it'll still have some others, and you'll shorten those to keep the shape. It's not going to look beautiful the first year, but once you get into a system and a regular maintenance schedule, it'll keep looking better and better every year. Now with a deciduous like the dwarf Korean lilac back there, a great time to do that is late winter, early spring, when the leaves are not there, so that you can see what you're cutting in and out. But with the Korean lilac, I like to let that bloom first, because they're really pretty, they're very fragrant. So I'll want to leave that on. I'll wait till after it's done blooming, and then I'll go back in and selectively prune again. And so I'll take out some of the bigger branches, things that are growing way out, and then I'll shorten it up. With some plants like ninebark and burning bush, even a regular lilac, you might want to go in and take off for a full rejuvenation. Take out the third oldest canes, stems that are coming up from the base at the ground. Cut them off, take out a third, and then shorten everybody else up a little bit, and you'll get your foundation planting under control.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.